Hey everybody, we should be starting right about now. What's going on everybody? This is Vasu Nepali. If you're new to my channel, please hit the like, please hit the share button, and please hit the subscribe button. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let us now focus on Bubble Tank Frenzy. So, I was gonna just jump right in and set up the new input system, but then I realized something. If I were to just do that now, then I would end up with a broken game. So instead, what I'm going to do is break this up into like a series. So instead of just jumping right in and, just setting all that up, we're going to go through the player controller and make sure we have it down by heart. Or at least get a specific instance on where we're using the old input system so that we can actually plug in, so that we can actually make the changes to those areas there. Okay, so first of all, we don't even need this anymore. This is like ancient information. I thought we did at one point, but now it's like, it was in there forever. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure my audio is working at the very least. Okay, hold on. Okay, it is. Okay. So now that I'm satisfied there, let's play some music. Just had her open a second ago. Okay. So it looks like here we're doing get axis, and get axis returns a float. So this returns the vertical, like when you go in the Z direction. So the move direction is a vector 3. And essentially what we do is we move forward or backwards. So if this is a negative value, we move forward. If it's positive, we move backwards. So we're gonna have to definitely rework this. So this area here, mark or conversion. Okay, so I'm just gonna mark wherever we're doing that. So it seems like here we're getting the input. Let me just make sure there's nowhere else we're getting the input. Yeah, just in this file alone, we're just getting the input from here. Okay. Okay, so that's one area. A little bit this way. Where else are we getting the input? Okay, so it looks like we're also getting the input from here. The mouse position. Nice thing about Unity is you can let me see. Hold on, let me open up my other Copilot. There we go. So let's... Okay, I'm back. I was just opening up my Copilot. Let's see. What is the Unity new input system equivalent to this? Let's figure out what that is. Okay, so you get a vector 2 mouse position, and that would be the mouse current position read value. This will give your mouse position as a vector 2. If you need to convert to a vector 3, you would do vector 3 mouse position 3D. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's not really that bad. Okay, I thought it was worse. A little more complicated than what I was thinking. Not really. Because all we really need at the end of the day is a vector. What did I say for the other one? And I'm just kind of curious about these. Okay. Actually, no. You know what's interesting? We're not really using the turn action. Yeah, because I feel like it's just throwing stuff at me. You know? Okay. So move direction is a main vector 3. You know what I mean? And essentially we got the move direction, so we're still sort of assigning it here. Right, if it's vector 3 0, as it is right now, it's not going to have a value, but if the move direction Z, which is like we're moving on the Z axis, so if that's like forward and back, this is actually where we assign move direction to the transforms forward, and times the move speed times move direction Z, and we apply gravity if need be. So we only do that if it's not like on the ground. So pretty much all of this stays the same. The only thing that really changes is how we're getting these values. That makes sense. Now, one more thing. One more very important area. So right here, just want to make sure we're not using any of the input stuff here. Doesn't look like we are, but I just want to double check. Nope, we're not. Okay, so tank turret, we're definitely using the input. How would the code below look? I don't know if there's an official name to this, but yeah. Okay, so swap bullets, shuffle bullet, Q action. Okay. So that we don't do anything. Shoot actually. So the shoot function gets called when I'm hoping it's as simple as what it's suggesting. You know? So I'm pretty sure that's how you do it. Okay. Bullet. Does bullet have any input? I'm just trying to find out all the places that have the input, so we can actually just map the new input system in. Because the approach that I'm taking with the new input system, you just map things to their respective. There's like more than one way to use it, you know what I mean? So we want it, so there's 3 files that we're marking it for. Pointer class, the tank turret, and the player controller. And the game manager, so really 4 classes that we're using it. Okay, so there. Okay, so that's one. Let's see if we're using the input. Doesn't look like we are. Okay, good. There's one more class that we're using the input on. It's a player. It's the game manager. Here it is. Okay. Alright, that's pretty much all I wanted to achieve in this stream. So, this will be a part 1 of converting everything over to the new input system. I'm trying to be as strategic with this as possible, because this is like, yeah, the new input system's easier to use, granted, but the problem with the new input system is it is a bit more overwhelming, and if you don't do it right, things get messed up real fast. I did find an easier way to do it though, but it's going to take some time to convert all this stuff over, so yeah. Anyway, I want to thank you personally for tuning in. Please check this out on YouTube. if you're watching this on Twitch, and if you're already on YouTube and you're watching this on YouTube, well, and you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Please consider clicking the like button. That's what I meant to say. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and you know what they say, don't forget to be awesome.